So I decided I would jump into the iPhone craze. I bought me a used iPhone that I'm going to mount and use using this bracket here. It's Zeadio. Got it on Amazon for like 45 bucks plus shipping, so about 50 bucks. It's all plastic. I thought it's going to be pretty much Mickey Mouse, but big surprise, it actually is pretty sturdy. And it gives you lots of different mounts. Real easy mounting options. Hot shoes, 1/4-inch threads there. This handle here, you can take it off. It also has a Bluetooth function, so I can click my photos and roll my videos from here. Hold on. I gotta turn it on. I gotta hold it, let it turn on, so it pairs up. Video. Now I'm gonna hit video record. Boom. It's recording. Pretty cool function. Pause it. Anyway, so I got it mounted to a Mickey Mouse tripod. It's got a 1/4-inch threads under there. That's the weakest part of it, is the tripod mount. I may have to cut these little stands here. These are little stands that allows you to put it on a table. But for tripod mode, it makes it really hard to mount the plate for the tripod. So may have to cut these off. These little runners here. But for 45 bucks, 50 bucks, I think it's pretty cool. I'm gonna mount my microphone up here. I can mount my light. I can mount my external recorder. This handle, I can put it on this side, but then it would be backwards. The trigger would be on the other side. No big deal. And the trigger handle has a mount also to mount whatever you want. And also, you can loosen it up when you're hand holding it, leave it all together, and you can swivel this over to the side. So this part here becomes your left handle. You don't use this. You use this. You can swivel it over. So now you got like this. Already loosened up the tripod plate here. I'm gonna yank this off of here like that. I imagine you could hold it like this. If you want to do a low shot, hold it from here. And this, obviously this is, you have to look around it. Threaded wheels right there, 2 of them, and they slide. They got little slides, on the bracket itself that you can move it forward and to the side 1 inch. I'm not using this one right now. I'm using this goes into the handheld part, the little phone bracket. Just unscrew it. Comes off. There you go. I'm going to give you an idea what it looks like. It's got a nice little foam grip on here. So you take that off, and you got the handheld if you want to just go with that. Just to show you, I figured I'd go ahead and show you what I mean by the swivel part. So you can hold it like this, or you can swivel this over like that, and that becomes your left handle. That's what I meant by it. And I always swivel it right back. Pretty cool for 50 bucks. I'm gonna try it and see what kind of footage I can get with this iPhone. I just bought it used for 350 bucks. It's an iPhone Pro Max, 128 gigs. It's not a phone, not using it for a phone, just strictly as a camera to record simple shots and require tight space.